Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today the topic is next topic to the part number 2. This is the part number 3rd. That time we read the operations in algebra. Now we are going in that we read the addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now this continuation of that topic, multiplication. That day we read about that multiplication in the monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, monomial to polynomials. Today we are going to read multiplication of binomial to binomial, binomial to binomial, binomial to binomial. Binomial means there are the two terms. Suppose that one example we are taking here. Let us take one example. Suppose x plus y multiply by another one 2x plus 3y. This we are going to multiply. No sign in between. This multiplied by this. This is the binomial. This is also binomial. We are multiplying. To multiply, some rules are there. What are there? First choose any one. Which side? Any one binomial you choose. Bracket. We can choose this also. We can choose this. We can choose this one also. Both terms. Suppose that I choose this one. Now break it into two parts. Because of two terms, we have to break into two parts. Break means what are the sign written between that that we are making separate. So I written it x, here written plus y. Means this number I written here and this I written here. Same only. Plus is there. In middle, what are the next another term, which is the another one that we are going to write as it is 2x plus 3y. Here also 2x plus 3y. Now we are making our same as it is we before done it. 2 into x, 2 into x, 2x into x, x. Means here nothing written. Here nothing written means 1. Nothing written means 1. 1 into 2, 2 x into x, x. And then 1 power. Yesterday we read the rule that square. A the power m into a the power n is equal to a the power m plus n. This we rule read last time. So here x square plus 1 into 3, number multiplied by number. 1 into 3, 3. X into y, xy. Plus sign is there, plus we kept 1. Here nothing written means 1. 1 into 2, 2. Y into x, xy. Then plus into plus 1 into 3, 3. Y into y, y square. Y square. Now this we can see, these are the like terms. These are the like terms. And this is the sign is addition. We add it. How to add? 2x square as it is written. 3 and 2. We are seeing only the coefficients. Constant only. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5x and y plus 3y square. This is the answer. Like that only. Next, we can take, let us take another one more example that we can do. X plus y into x plus y. Same we written. What will happen? Choose any one bracket in that what written. Suppose that I choose this one. I break it into two part. Like this. Here written same x plus y. Here also written x plus y. Same as it is. This number written here and here same. This x written here. And this is y is there. This y is written here. X into x. X square. Already you know. Base are the same. In multiplication power are added. Plus x into y. Xy. Then plus is there. Y into x. Xy. Because of x comes before that y. Plus y into y. Y square. Now again you can see these are the like terms. Xy like terms. Like terms are added and subtracted. So it is addition sign is there. We are doing addition. X square plus xy. 1 is here, 1 is here. 1 plus 1, 2. X and y, xy plus y square. Means this is a identity. Both sides it can prove. X plus y. It can written x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. That also identity can be used. Next, suppose that binomial to polynomial. We are doing this multiplication of binomial to polynomial. Here taken suppose that one example we are taking x plus y plus z. We are multiplying it 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 5y 5p. We are multiplying. That is trinomial to polynomial. Trinomial to polynomial. Suppose that we are keeping the powers also, so we kept the power. Anywhere we kept the power. Also we kept. Now we are multiplying it. Again same rule. We break this. We are choosing any one. So in that there are the less terms are there, 3 terms. In that there are the 4 terms are there. We are choosing this one. So here x written same as it is. This number 2x square minus 3y plus 4z cube minus 5p. Again this breaking plus y written as it is. X here written, y here written. Again same another term whatever the polynomials, that one 2x square minus 3y plus 4z cube minus 5p. Then next is plus z is there. I written the plus z here, place because of place here written it is z into same as it is 2x square minus 3y plus 4z cube minus 5p. Multiplying it now. Multiplying now. 1 into 2 2, x into x square x cube. Power are added. Base are the same. In multiplication power are added. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 into 3 3, x into y xy plus 1 into 4 4, x into z xz, and cube is there cube written minus 5p comes first, then the x px, then this one plus y into 2 1 into 2 2, x square y, then minus 3y square, then plus same multiplying, first this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, 1 2 3 number wise kept. Then here 4 yz cube here because of plus, next it is here 5 px. Then again by this term will be the z. We are multiplying with the z now. This one z in 1 into 2 2, plus is there 2 x square z, then minus this one first, this one, then again second one, then the third term, then the fourth term. 1 into 3 3, y into z yz, then z 1 into 4 4, z into z cube z the power 4, then plus into minus minus, then 1 into 5 5, and z into p pz. Now which are the terms are like terms are in that we are adding together. So here this term, first one this term, not like term, so same as it is written. xy, here is the xy is there. We are searching in that any xy is there anywhere. So there is no xy. So same as it is 3x and y. Suppose we have taken this xz cube. So that also no xz cube, no same similar term, or that is not like term. So same it is 4xz cube, then minus 5px. Here also px here px, then plus 2x square y minus 3y square. Otherwise again writing no need to write, again this only the answer. There is no like terms in that. There is no like terms in that.